Good morning, students. I am Chinmay Hegde. This is online economics class. The subject Karnataka economy. In our previous sessions, we discussed about the different natural resources of Karnataka, and we already know about the land resource, water resource, forest resource, and many other things. At this class, we discuss about the Karnataka mineral resources, the mining sector of Karnataka. Different types of mines, available resources, different types of mineral resource deposits, and their royalty, income to our government. These are the different topics. About the mineral resources, these are the very important revenue earning resources in our economy, or it is also in every economy. They are very profitable natural resources. So in Karnataka, our state has also very good amount of natural resources or these mineral resources. Mineral resources areas in our state and the deposits. Karnataka state is abundant in mineral resources which covers an area of 1.92 lakh square kilometers. 1.92 lakh square kilometers land area which has large amount of mineral resources. The state is having valuable mineral resources such as iron ore and manganese in Ballari district, Chitradurga district, Tumkur, Uttar Kannada and Chikmagalur district. These districts are very high level, large amount of mineral resource deposits. And some other mineral resources areas and different types of mineral resources are chromite or chromium deposits in Hassan and Mysore district. These two districts have large amount of chromite mineral resource. Your aluminium reserves in Belgaum district, copper reserves in Hassan, Chitradurga and Raichur. And very importantly, the gold reserves, gold mineral, gold mines. Karnataka is very famous for gold production, as the Kolar Goldfield KGF in Kolar used to be one of the major producer of gold in India. Here presently the gold mines of Hatti and Raichur produce almost 84% of total gold production in our country. It's a total gold production. Among the total gold production, 84% produced by Karnataka only. The other major centers of gold mining are Dharwad and Chitradurga districts. These gold mines produce about 3,000 kilograms of gold per annum. And the district Raichur is famous for its silver deposits. The next one is some other mineral resources, some other types are our state is rich in industrial minerals such as kyanite, soapstone, corundum, and wide variety of ornamental stones such as granite, gneisses, and felsite deposits. And also, Karnataka has more than 40,000 square kilometers of greenstone belt, which are a treasury of several mineral deposits and also indicate the occurrence of polymatic deposits, diamond, and gold. And these gold mine or mining sector administration In our state, the Department of Mines and Geology, Department of Mines and Geology is responsible for effective and efficient administration of these mineral resources. And this department, Gold Department of Mines and Geology, has realized revenue of 1,293 crore rupees up to November 2017. Say up to November 2017 is half of the financial year. Say this revenue is up to half of our one financial year. And then the next one is the details of royalty collection, the details of royalty collection from these mining sector, mining activity. In our state, we classify these minerals in two major categories. They are major minerals and minor minerals. The major minerals covers fuel fuel minerals, which consist of like energy sources: coal, lignite, petroleum, natural gas, and other major minerals. They include metallic minerals, which include atomic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Here, maximum number of minerals they are included in the concepts of major minerals. And minor minerals, which consist of some materials. They include marbles, slate, shells, or any other types of stones. And these types of material minerals include in minor mineral or minor mining activities. And their royalty collection defined with the following table. I defined with two different years time period: 2013 and 14 and 2016 and 17. And our government and their mining sector department that has target, it fixed target for every year. As in 2013 and 14, it has a target of 1411 crores. That is the target, but the achievement is slightly less than that target. It is 1366, almost 1400, 367 crores. It include the major and minor minerals. Major mineral include 743 crores and minor mineral include 623 crores. And in the next one time period 2016 and 17, it has doubled value 2410 crores, which was 1400 crores in 2013 and 14. And it increased to 2410 in 2016 and 17. It was the target, but the realization or achievement was 2185 crores, which include the major and minor minerals like in equivalent manner. 1042 crores from major minerals, 1142 crores from minor minerals. See, these are the some information about the royalty collection from mining sector. These are the different types of mineral resource in Karnataka. Up to this section, we know about the different types of natural resources in Karnataka. In our next class, we discuss about some other topics about Karnataka economy. Okay, thank you.